We haven't played one of these for a while. Can our two normal home cooks identify chocolate bars? I feel like normal home cooks and chefs are equally qualified in this.
I'm pretty sure everyone at home is watching this going, I've got this one nailed.
The rules are simple. Lots of plates. You guys have 3 lives. If you get all 3 wrong, it's then sudden death. Last man standing wins. See how this goes.
Wizardry.
Oh, you're going this way.
Oh. Yes. No. Oh, okay.
Okay.
You can look at them, you can sniff them, I guess, but the moment you touch a chocolate bar or a plate that it's on, you must commit to answering it. But at that point, you can have a nibble, see the inside.
I've just realised I very rarely have a chocolate bar naked. I mean,
What?
I mean, you know, like it's in the wrapper and you're revealing it bit by bit, aren't you?
Yes.
A slow tease.
A slow tease.
You don't often get the full frontal.
I mean, it is.
Jamie, you're going to go first, but before that, you each get your 3 lifelines, 3 chocolate fingers. Once you've taken 3 fingers, it's sudden death.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, of
I was
course,
like, I enjoy a finger.
Yeah.
Right, Jamie, where are you going first?
There are so many different places that I could go first.
Well, yeah, it's the game.
I'm going to go for one that I know that you don't enjoy.
Come.
Take it off the table. I think, if I had to guess exactly, I think this one is going to smell of rich, fresh coconut. It is deliciously coconutty. It's a bounty.
Tis a bounty. Years ago, we made our own bounty bars. The simplest recipe ever. You can give that a go. We'll link to that downstairs. But absolutely right. Coconut, sweet and delicious, enrobed in milk chocolate.
I think it's the most popular last place in the celebrations pack.
Absolutely not.
It has to be.
Unbelievable.
There's always 10 bounties left.
Bounties available in over 60 different countries. Not to be confused with an Almond Joy in America, which is coconut enrobed in chocolate with a single almond on top.
If we're going down that theme, with Bounty being the worst in the celebrations pack, I think the #1 spot has to go to.
Nice. Well, have you gone for the left one or the right one?
Does that matter?
You have to.
Please be a Twix.
Oh, how are you eating that? What are you doing? It's a Twix like that. Twix, double finger, correct, Baz. No lives lost. Jamie, it's your turn.
I'm going to go for another double chocolate bar. Because what's the point of getting 1 chocolate bar when you can get 2?
Fair true, I'm with you.
Go for the Bounty, you get 2. Go for the Twix, you get 2. Go for the...
Oh, you could get this wrong.
Yeah, but Anthea Turner.
I think we're going to get a lot of nostalgic throwback to chocolate adverts in this particular episode.
So crumbly, Barry. I do think, Ben, it's a 12.
It is. So it is essentially a chocolate flake that has been enrobed in chocolate. So think 99 ice cream. 3 down, Barry, it's your turn. We always rattle through the easy ones at the start of this episode, but there's definitely a few on the table that are going to catch them out.
Is that one going to catch you out, Barry?
No. Is this internationally known?
Surely every country's inflation figures are based on the price of one.
It is, exactly. Yeah. I value my house against this.
Yep, originally Australian, and that's the name we want.
Oh no.
It's a Freddo. It's a Freddo. It's got an F on the front. It's Freddo. Don't you dare.
The classic chocolate frog that started in Australia but is now popular the world over, Freddo.
Yeah! Packed lunch chocolate.
Only worth 10p.
Well, it's Cadbury chocolate and is considered the unofficial inflation indicator.
Right, Jay, where to next?
The 3 bobbly ones are interesting.
I'd say knobbly.
Not bobbly.
No, well, that's a lollipop.
Some are more rounded, some have sharper edges, some are cylindrical, some are different.
So with that in mind, I'm going to go here. What I've done is walked down a garden path that I wasn't expecting to walk down, because I was just going to call that Tony's Chocolonely.
And that is exactly the brand, as is Nestle and Cadbury and all the other ones we've done. But what's the flavour?
Oh.
I'm not expecting you to get them all, but there are 5 things inside that give it its crunchy flavour. What are they?
Biscuit.
No.
Popping candy.
No. No biscuit and no popping candy, so I'm afraid it goes back on the plate and you lose a life. Take a finger.
You said so nicely, though.
You did say nicely.
Please.
Oh no.
First life gone. There are, as you'd expect with all our games, a few twists and turns. Some the boys won't recognise, some from countries outside the UK, and some, like Tony's Chocolonely, that we want the flavour of the bar, not just the brand.
Okay. I'm going to go for one that I'm not a massive fan of, but my little boy is, because he is a Kinder. I believe that is a Kinder Bueno.
Correct. Crisp wafer, hazelnut cream filling, and milk chocolate coating with a drizzle. Barry, you still have all your lives intact. Jamie, you have lost one. Are you going back to work out what else is in that?
I'm going to leave that there for now.
Oh,
I'm going to go for this one.
Interesting.
that's a
It's the
brick.
most square looking one. Rectangular oblong.
Yeah.
I have no idea until you...
I think I know what it is.
Do you?
Oh no, I don't know what it is.
I was expecting it to snap a lot harder.
I was expecting it to be really crunchy.
So this one has the most square edges, but it's actually an oblong in shape. Still enrobed. What's it called?
Really nice, Evans.
Is it?
I think it's quite familiar.
Oh, come on, Joe. We're early on for you to be 2 fingers down. He's going back to his childhood, I can tell. He's...
It's a whisper.
Is that your final answer?
I think that's my final answer.
Don't be careless.
Correct.
Oh,
Well done!
oh,
The game helped.
Finn's favourite chocolate bar.
Is
He would
it?
kill me if I got
Wow.
that wrong. Yeah.
Aerated chocolate bar, very small bubbles, means it melts on the tongue, an absolute dream. But here's a whisper.
Wow, that was you nearly threw that, mate.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go for this one. A green Kit Kat, because it says it on it. Now,
Yep, but it's the flavour we want.
there are so many different flavours of Kit Kat available in Japan.
Technically, it's not actually called a chocolate bar. It's a wafer biscuit. Because the percentage of chocolate coating means they can claim it to be a wafer biscuit and get 0 rated VAT. 1957, have a break, have a Kit Kat. One of those food marketing slogans, especially for chocolate, that was one of the first and one of the longest running because they made a moment of the bar.
So when I saw that, I went, that's a matcha Kit Kat. On tasting it, matcha isn't a strong flavour. So I'm hunting for matcha, but I'm not left that dry feeling in my mouth. But I would say there's a hint of green tea in it, because there's a bitterness of tea. So I'm gonna go for green tea Kit Kat.
That is matcha, which is indeed a green tea. So,
Hello!
correct.
Oh, I was just playing games, everybody, just playing games.
Right?
Oh.
You said matcha, you said green tea. It is
I
both
said
of those
matcha green
things. It is a matcha Kit Kat. The only one on the table that is not chocolate coloured.
I think I'm going to start here.
Why are you going for the ones that are mysteries until you go into them? Bold, I think I know what that is as well, from the ripple.
Yeah, me
There's
too.
a little ripple in the middle.
Little ripple.
Which you don't get in the others.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, fine.
And I'd like its current name,
Oh, don't
not
say,
its
don't
name.
say you don't like that.
He doesn't like peanut butter, does he?
Just Snickers.
Snickers is the name I wanted, not Marathon Bar, which it was known as before, up until 1990. But Snickers is absolutely the correct answer.
They killed that off in 1990.
Yeah, aren't we
Oh
old?
my God.
Very good, very good.
There's one here that's been calling me because I had it as a kid a lot, but I haven't had one since I was probably about 7. Is it that?
You could have had this small bit here.
No, but what, it's the snap I was looking for.
Yeah.
It's taken me to my childhood. It tastes like cheap furniture. That is a dime bar.
Crunch on the outside.
Smooth on the inside, like an armadillo.
Right, stop showing our age. This is not good.
Yeah, but now we've said that, everyone is going to search Dime Bar,
Armadillo.
and see all the old ads on YouTube. Absolutely correct. Why did you mention furniture?
Because it's always sold in IKEA.
Correct. IKEA made the bar more famous than the chocolate brand had done previously.
Really?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are now halfway through the game. Jamie has lost a life. Barry still has all of his fingers intact. Shuffle them in.
Regroup.
There's one that I feel like I'm more confident on than the others, and so I'm going to have to go with that one.
Go for it.
It's this one.
I think The design of that has changed dramatically since I last had one. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It could have been fluorescent green in the middle. Is it good?
It's really bubbly.
Yep.
Is it an Aero?
Healthier and easier to digest. That's how it was advertised back in the 90s as being the healthy chocolate bar, because most of it was air. It is an Aero.
Most of it was Aero.
And also
Well
the
done.
fact that it was one that back in our school era and the era of the tuck shop, there were many flavours. There was orange, there
The
was
mint was strong.
mint
was great.
The mint chocolate Aero was quite special. Oh, he's committed. Where's he gone? What is it?
Oh no. I did the same thing as you, Jay.
What did you think it was?
I thought it was going to be more. Oh, oh my goodness.
So the shape
oh
of
my
that.
goodness.
I recognised the shape of it. I was not expecting that on the inside.
There's no chance you'll know what that is. I thought this was going to be a crunchy. And it is crunchy, but it's also strong on peanut butter.
This is crunchy, layered, peanut buttery centre with a chocolate coating. Very popular
Very
in
popular.
Halloween candy bowls in the US. But what is it?
What does it have in America?
There are a lot of people screaming at you right now.
Wow. Well,
Yeah.
like, I'm trying to think, there's so many things in America we don't get here, like candy cane. I haven't got a clue what that is, but it's absolutely delicious.
All right, pop
so
it back on the plate.
I'm going to have to pass.
Does mean you need to take a finger, Barry?
Oh, yes! I mean, oh no.
Okay, level pegging on lives, and it is now Jamie's turn. There's one that stumped them so far, and one that they need to identify the flavours within the Tony's Chocolate Only.
I might go out on a limb on the one that you've just had, because I might know the name of it.
Oh, well, go for it, because I'm not going to get that.
But is it worth wasting a finger on? Evers, is that a Butterfinger?
Oh, really?
What an excellent guess. Where did you pull that from? It is a Butterfinger.
Oh.
The first on the table that I think we wouldn't obviously recognise in the UK, but
done.
it is
Well done.
a Butterfinger.
American peanut butter candy that's not Snickers. Yeah, Butterfinger.
Well done.
Well done! I thought that slipped right out of your fingers, that did, but no.
Nope.
What you are, it's a funny shape.
With the three bobbly ones are still there.
You've
Yeah,
left
I'm
knobbly
going-
ones.
It's touching.
What's lighter than I expected?
Is it? That's what we've been waiting for. Oh no!
That is a delicious crunchy.
That is. It is crunchy. It is honeycomb enrobed in chocolate. Again, another example that we have made on the channel back when Ebbers had his candy shop.
Oh yeah, that happened.
Yeah, that happened, didn't it? Yeah. 2016.
Yep.
I'm gonna have to go for a bobbly one because
It's 50% of what's left.
yes, this one I think is the most close to what I've got in my head. Oh, I'm gonna have to go for it.
Okay, wow, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it does. Oh, wow, that's great.
That has to be, doesn't it?
You know what? I don't know.
I think it's
I
got
think
to
I've
be.
had it, but
I think that's a lion.
Thank you for the charades. Crispy filled wafer, chewy caramel with crispy cereal bits coated in smooth chocolate. Big in the UK and a Europe staple. Made by Nestle, it is Lion.
well done. Yes. Well done.
You'll go, Baz.
Well,
There's only 5 plates left, and you've still got 4 lives between you. This might be the first time we've ever played this game where the lives aren't required.
I'm really not confident on the nobblers, so I'm gonna have to go here. What the heck?
Did that do what you thought it was going to do?
Almost Rice Krispie, chocolate Rice Krispie in the middle. I'm rattling now.
You sure are. I'm gonna have to push you for an answer.
I'm going back to Ebbers Tuck Shop. I don't think he stocked this. No, I can't. I'm clasping a name, but it's not coming. I'm gonna have to pass. I'm really sorry.
Take a finger. Your time is up.
Come on, take a finger.
You're getting chocolate sick yet?
Yeah.
Barry down to just 1 life. There's 5 left on the table. Jamie, twice as many chances.
You going for it? Not your nobblies.
I've got no idea what that knobbly is. That one, I've got a name in my head, but I don't know. I want to try this to see if I know what it is. Is that a Boost bar?
Boost bar. You've pulled that out of
But I
nowhere.
don't know if it is.
It's not.
Well-
So take a finger. You lose a life. It is not a boost bar.
I'm going to go for the chocolonely and try and figure out what the filling is.
You know it's not popping candy or biscuit. They've both been named. There's 5 things listed on the wrapper. I want 2 of them.
One is hazelnut.
And 1 life left if you lose it. You're locking in hazelnut?
Hazelnut.
Incorrect.
Wow. It's a nut. It's definitely a nut.
Barry loses his final life, and for him, it is now sudden death.
Oh, I don't know where to go. I'm going to go for this one.
I admire that. I admire that. And I think I'm the same as you. I don't know what the name is. Is it peanut butter?
It's peanuts. It's
Oh.
not peanut butter. I think the name of this is something that you enjoyed at a Sidemen video at Twickenham Stadium. I think this might be a picnic.
I bloody love a picnic. You're so right, and I did indeed have a picnic on the turf. A picnic bar. It's like a trail mix in one. It's nuts, raisins, caramel, biscuit, puffed rice, and chewy nougat.
Well done.
Enrobed in chocolate is indeed a
Well
picnic.
done.
It's one of my
James.
favourites.
Yes.
And they so rarely have. I think they used to have them, if possibly still do, in the Miniature Heroes.
Celebrations? No, I don't think so,
Celebrations,
no.
but old school. They removed them because they weren't popular enough. I used to love them. Well done,
It's a
Jay.
picnic.
Well done,
you
Jamie.
keep your
Oh.
finger. You still
Well
got one of
done.
them.
So I need to get this,
You
otherwise
need,
I'm done.
you need to get this.
Okay, I'm gonna go for this one because I want to see what's inside. And it might just trigger something.
It's not going to help you.
Oh, he's picked it up.
Oh, okay.
Oh, what the heck is that?
What is that?
Oh, there's more. There's something else inside of it, Jamie.
What?
It's like, oh my God, it gets everywhere. It's like a cheap chocolate truffle, but with a coat of caramel around the middle bit of chocolate. That is amazing. I think I might have a new favourite on the board.
Any ideas what it is?
Not a clue.
You don't have any lives left.
What-
At this rate, you could lose the chocolate game to Jamie.
I think it's my third blank. I'm firing today. I've let myself down. I've let you down. I've let you down. I've no idea.
Gonna have to pass. Well, congratulations, Jamie, you win. Who knew you'd be the chocolate champ?
What is that? Tell me what that is.
Should we go through what's left on the board?
Yeah.
That last one that took your final life, Barry, is in fact a boost bar. I did well to keep that. It is one of my absolute favourites. It's got added glucose in it, so it gives you that boost, that energy, but
What's
it
a
gives
boost,
a
Barry?
very different
I've never had a
texture
boost.
to the caramel biscuit and chocolate inside. You said kind of truffly. It's almost
Yeah.
cross between truffle chocolate because the chocolate's got glucose in it.
Never had a boost.
The other one that you called a boost, and Barry, you went blank on, it is a combination of toffee and crispy bits inside. It's a toffee crisp.
Toffee crisp, of course it is. It's so
embarrassing.
obvious.
That's so
That's
embarrassing.
so obvious.
What's fascinating about toffee crisp is there
God.
might be other examples, but I've never known a brand to compete with themselves. The Lion Bar, made by Nestle, was so popular that they put out a competitor to the Lion Bar, the Toffee Crisp. And both became so popular that they stayed. So that leaves you with the 2 front ones. The Tony's Chocolonely, I wanted any 2 of what they put
Nougat?
on the packaging. Caramel, almond, pretzel, nougat or sea salt. I'd have taken any 2
I want to say nougat and sea
of
salt
those.
in my head, but okay. Fantastic chocolate. But what is the mystery one that we all avoided?
I'm going to say the word Ritter, but I don't know why.
British
A
one?
German.
Oh, okay.
But I don't know why.
You are absolutely correct that it is not UK centric, but we're talking more Brazilian and Latin American. This is caramel fudge with a milk chocolate and crisp rice coating. It is Chiquito.
Chiquito. Okay.
So Butterfinger and Chiquito were the 2 that I didn't expect you to get. So well done, Jamie, for guessing
Well done.
Butterfinger. But this is Latin America and Brazil, big for the Chiquito.
Well, I'd be fascinated in the comments what your top 3 would be.
Comment down below, there were 18 chocolate bars there. Obviously we missed a few, but what is your top tier, whether it was present here or not?